Hi guys, it's Harry Crafter here, Harry018, and it is April 19th, Friday, 2019. It is 2:45 p.m. or 2:43. I'm at my Lux thermostat. It is the TX1500E. That's not the main purpose of this video. Going to be doing a cooling startup for my Goodman 3.5 ton central air conditioner. Hey buddy. So we can first visit the indoor unit, which is downstairs. It is a 76,000 BTU indoor unit. I cannot get the spec sheet because it's inside, but it's a 96.1% efficiency gas furnace. And it was made in Houston, Texas. It's got Brecht pump. There's the unit, it's all installed. So you'll get to, we'll see the outside here in a minute. So, there it is. Alright, start up in 3, 2, 1. She didn't sound too happy there. It's quiet. Line's not even warm. Suction line's still warm. Hasn't started cooking yet. That's the fan motor. Here. Liquid line still hasn't built up any heat. Suction line it's cooling down now. It actually feels kind of cold. This thing did get a condenser cleaning at the end of last year, and yet it's still got stuff in it. But it's a very cheap thing. It's got very flimsy wheel guards, and it wasn't put together very well. The screws are very, very flimsy. I've had them strip already, and I use a screwdriver, the very correct size bit. This is like I forgot the size of it, but I checked the American and metric sizes, and the metric fit best. So, now we're starting to get heat out of here. There's the exits for the heat. We can just go in through the basement. Basement doors down here. You can hear the gas flowing through here. Suction line is now cold. Yep. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed the startup of our Goodman 76,000 BTU central air conditioner. Have a good day. Tune in next time. Bye.